what's up? Happy New Year's. This is my first video that I'm making after the new year has started, so happy 2019, the futuristic era is what I like to call it. We're gonna start seeing flying cars soon, I swear. Anyways, yeah, so today I'm gonna be doing a tutorial like I always do, but I feel like this one's more technical and I'm really showing you how I do something based on my makeup, and that is how I turn these woofy eyebrows looking like this. So if you want to see how I do my eyebrows, everyone's preferences or the way they do their eyebrows is also different. I'm just showing you how I do my eyebrows and how I achieve like the look that I usually go for. So if you want to see that, just keep on watching. I think it's best if we get up close and personal. So I'm going to zoom in so you guys can really see what I'm doing. I should have done one eyebrow off camera. Anyways, I'm gonna zoom in. Okay, so I am up close and personal. This is so weird and awkward, but it is what it is. The rest of the video will be a voiceover just so I can actually stay in tune with what I'm doing. And I can probably better explain it by watching this, like the clips over and saying it through a voiceover then as I go. But yeah, so here we go, guys.
Okay, so first step, which I feel is pretty self-explanatory, is you're gonna brush your eyebrows out with a spoolie. Your eyebrows in all different types of directions before you start this, so you need to just kind of uniform and organize all those hairs into one direction. Okay, so what I use to do my eyebrows is the Benefit KaBrow pomade in the color number 5 is what I use. It does come with an angled brush that's like literally part of the lid, as you can see. I sometimes use it. It's really tiny, so if I really just want to get the job done, I just take my own angled brush. Like if I just need to get the job done, quicker, right, tight, everything, that's what I'll be using. Dip that in, and then I'm just going to pretty much place this within my whole eyebrow and kind of frame out my rough guideline. I try to avoid the beginning of my eyebrow because I want that like nice gradient fade into my eyebrow, and I especially want you to see that I still have hair in my eyebrows and that like it's literally not just all makeup and you know your girl has something to work with. So currently I like to mix my eyebrows with some powder with my pomade. So I'm going to be taking some black eyeshadow, which you really shouldn't do. I mean, there's no rules to makeup, but then there is. I usually use a dark brown powder, but your girl ran out, so this is just going to have to do until then. But I make sure that I'm really careful with the amount I'm using. And I just apply this to I especially apply this to the tails of my eyebrows, and anywhere else that's kind of sparse or kind of where I still see that skin and where the pomade didn't cover entirely. So I just use that to fill it in and to define everything 10 times better. Okay, so now it's time to clean up the mess. So I'm going to be taking a small brush, a small flat brush. I'm going to be taking some concealer. I used the LA Pro Girl concealer in the color Fawn. It was a bit too close to my actual skin tone, so I then later mixed it with the Colorpop concealer just to kind of lighten things up and to really see that definition and see what I'm doing. And yeah, I'm basically just gonna clean up and frame out my eyebrows and kind of play with the shapes very slightly the way I want it. I feel like my eyebrows just really come to life once you clean them up. Like it's so ideal to clean them up. I feel not everyone does, you don't have to, but it's just there's something about it that gives you like that extra pop. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go back and forth with my eyeshadow or my products after cleaning up, just kind of to redefine that line or just to kind of reshape certain points. Then I go back with my concealer, kind of clean it up again, and then I brush out the head of my eyebrow to make sure to avoid getting too much product there. And then I'm going to be blending out my concealer. So below my eyebrow, I'm blending the concealer downwards, and obviously above my eyebrow, I'm blending the concealer upwards. Please, 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 ladies or gentlemen, make sure you blend out your concealer. Like, that's one of my pet peeves I cannot handle to see, when people don't blend it out and it looks like their job's not done, but they're on road like that. And also another point, if you don't know like how to shape your eyebrows, I'm just showing you in a demonstration on how to like meet each point with like your eye and nose area. I really don't know how to explain this verbally, so just watch what I'm doing. And that's it, guys. That's how I finesse my eyebrows. You can just see the huge difference compared to like my natural brow to my enhanced one. If you like this tutorial, be sure to like, comment, and share, and click that subscribe button. And I will see you in my next video, guys. Thanks for watching.